Welcome to the VivaLumix LED light therapy training session. In this video, we will guide you through the acne management protocol using blue light therapy 415 nanometers to reduce acne-causing bacteria, calm inflammation, and prevent future breakouts. Let's get started. Before starting the treatment, it's important to follow these general guidelines. Make sure the treatment area is completely clean and free of makeup, lotions, or serums that could block LED penetration. The recommended session time is 20 to 30 minutes, depending on skin sensitivity. For acne management, clients should have 3 to 4 sessions per week over 4 to 6 weeks for optimal results. Always provide the client with protective goggles to shield their eyes from LED exposure. Acne management protocol. Step 1. Skin analysis. Start with a thorough skin analysis to assess the severity of acne, identify inflammation, and determine the treatment areas. Step 2. Cleansing the skin. Next, cleanse the skin using an antibacterial cleanser. This step helps remove dirt, oil, and acne-causing bacteria, ensuring maximum light penetration and effectiveness. Once the skin is clean, provide the client with protective goggles to ensure eye safety during the LED therapy session. Step 3. Treatment application. Position the device over the affected areas, ensuring complete exposure to blue light. The recommended treatment time is 20 to 30 minutes. This light eliminates acne-causing bacteria, reduces inflammation, and helps prevent future breakouts. Step 4. Selecting the blue light mode. Select the acne mode, blue light 415 nanometers. Set the intensity to medium for a safe yet effective treatment. Step 5. Post-treatment care. After the session, apply a soothing gel or a serum with niacinamide. This helps calm redness, reduce oil production, and support skin healing. Post-treatment recommendations. For best results, advise clients to follow these post-treatment care tips. Maintain an acne-focused skincare regimen, including gentle cleansing and non-comedogenic products. Avoid using harsh scrubs or active treatments on the same day as LED therapy. Keep the skin hydrated and protected from UV exposure with a lightweight SPF. Device maintenance. To keep your VivaLumix LED light therapy device in top condition, clean the LED panel after each session with a soft, damp cloth. Store the device in a cool, dry place. Stay updated with the latest treatment protocols and additional training materials from Zemits to maximize effectiveness. That completes our acne management LED light therapy protocol. Remember, consistency is key. For best results, clients should complete 3 to 4 sessions per week for 4 to 6 weeks. For more advanced training materials and expert tips, visit our official Zemits platform. Thank you for watching and happy treating with VivaLumix.